Look at the picture, everybody. Today is 2/6/26. That is written in this blue box. February 2021 is the year and the month. And the day is Friday. When you do your homework in your notebooks, you always need to write the date on the left side. Today is 2/6/26 of February 2021, right? Very good. Now please stand up. Please stand up for the prayer, everyone. Yes, all my good kids will stand up. And my babies are very good. Very good. Stand up, join your hands, close your eyes for the prayer. Let's start with the Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Shanti 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 Om. Open your eyes, everybody. Now we will do Thank You God prayer. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, that the birds are flying. Thank you, God, for everything. Thank you, God. We should say thank you to God every day, right? हमें रोज God को thank you बोलना है for the new lovely morning, right? Okay. Now everybody, please stand up on the floor. It's exercise time. Yes. Very good, everybody. Stand up on the floor. Yes. Everybody, let's start. Put your hands on your shoulders first. Yes. Move them in a circular motion. Very good. Yes. Now anti-clockwise. Yes. Very nice. Now do some jumping with me. Put your hands on your waist and do jumping. Do jumping. Yes. Yes. Very good. Very good. Now we need to take our right hand to the left side, left hand to the right side. Count with me till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Now take your hands above your head. Everybody take your hands above your head, bend down and touch the toes. Yes. Once again, take your hands above your head, bend down and touch your toes. Yes. Now everybody take the support of the wall. Yes, we need to put our one foot over the another leg. We need to put our one foot over the another leg. Try to balance and then do a namaste above your head. Very good. Once again, relax and do it once again. You need to put your one foot over the another leg. Try to balance and then do a namaste above your head. Very good. Now everybody, we need to move our leg in a circular motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Same with the another leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very nice. Now we need to touch our right knee with the right hand and the left hand upward. Very good. Now the left knee with the left hand and right hand upward. Again, the right knee with the right hand, left hand upward. Left knee with the left hand and right hand upward. Very good. The last one is take your hands, put your hands parallel to your waist, and we need to touch our knees with our hand, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once again. Now my babies are grown up. We need to do it once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Clapping for everybody. Very good. Now please sit down. Please sit down at your place. Very good, everyone. Yes. Now, rub your hands, everybody. Rub your hands and give the warmth of your hands to your eyes, your face, throat, and all over the body. Very good. Now, everybody, please take out your notebooks. Yes, very good. Please take out your notebooks.
Yes, good afternoon to all my babies. How are you all? Hope you are doing well. Now take out your maths notebook. Take out your maths notebook quickly. Today we are doing maths revision, count and write. Count and write. Okay? Now take out your maths notebook. Today we are doing count and write. Shruti ma'am, my voice is coming now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So take out your maths notebook. Today we are doing count and write. First, you have to count the object and write their number. Count with me. Count with me. 1.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the board is not very much clear, ma'am, especially the first 2 lines. It is not visible enough.
The board is visible.
I mean, it's very light. It is very light. It's
Ma'am, please clear the camera.
Give me a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Shruti, now board is visible.
Just a minute.
Yes. You need to.
Ma'am, the image is little. It's not properly visible.
Okay, Shruti, you can share the worksheet as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can share the worksheet because board is not visible. We can do that with worksheets. Yes.
Yes, ma'am, sure.
Yes, today we are doing count and write their numbers. So count the objects with me. Okay, first who will count? Okay, first I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We will write number 5. Right? Next is flower. Okay, who will count? Adira. Adira, unmute yourself.
Count this.
Yes, count the flowers.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Now stop. 8. We will write number 8. Next is candies. Ayansh, count it.
जोर से
1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
Yes, very good, Ayansh. 4. Now cup. Who will count? Kiara. Kiara, unmute yourself. Kiara Arora.
Karu. Come on, count the cups. Come on. Karu, teacher is
Yes,
asking
Kiara,
you.
count with me. Count with me. Yes, 1, 2, very good. 3, 4,
Yeah.
5. Yes, Kiara.
Come on, 5. And then
9.
and
6
Come on.
आया
Very
6 cups are there. Very good. Now next is kite.
4
Kite.
उल्टा
Okay,
उल्टा
Akshdeep, unmute yourself.
गोली कर दो टाइट
Yes, Akshdeep. Now unmute yourself. Yes. Count the kites.
Slowly, baby.
1,
Yes, very good.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes, very good. We will write 7. Now
Now.
next, Vedant. Vedant is there? Vedant is there? Vedant, unmute yourself. Okay, Devik, unmute yourself.
Yeah, she is there.
Okay, Vedant is there. Now, Vedant, count the last object.
Sorry, ma'am, what did you say?
7,
My voice is coming.
Start from 1 to 10.
1,
Yes, now it is audible.
Yes. Now
Say it,
count the
bolo.
last object.
9,
1,
11, 12.
Bus.
1, 2, 3. Only
Two,
3 stop. Only 3
three.
mushrooms. 1, 2, 3.
What is this?
We will write number 3.
These are 3 mushrooms.
Now, Shruti, take the next. Yes. Now count and write again. Again flowers. Okay. Who will count? Vedika. Who will count? Vedika, unmute yourself.
Vedika.
Count the flowers.
Yes. Now count. Ma'am, कह रहे बताओ flowers कितने हैं?
1,
Right.
2,
Okay.
3,
Hmm.
4,
Okay.
5,
हाँ.
6,
Right.
7, 8.
Yes.
बताओ ना.
We will write number 8. Very good, Vedika. Now Avleen Kaur. Avleen, count the kites.
Count the kite.
1, 2.
2. We will write number 2. Okay. Now child name is Nityansh. Nityansh.
Yansh, see, ma'am is asking
Yes, count the flowers.
Counting करो बाबू.
Count with me. Nityansh, count with me. Put on the finger on put on finger on screen. Put the finger on screen. 1, 2. Yes, count with me.
2.
3.
Counting करो बेटा. 3,
4, 5.
1. हाँ अच्छा करो आप करो. 1.
Yes, we will write number 5. Okay, I will ask again. Now next trees. Charvi, Charvi, unmute yourself. Count the trees.
Count the trees.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes, we will write number 10. Now turn is Pehel. Pehel, unmute yourself.
चलो count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
बेटा 6 है.
Yes, there are 7 herds. There are 6 herds.
I'm 6 hearts.
6 herds. Very good, Pehel. Now next turn is Kiara Arora. Kiara, count the umbrellas.
Kiara, count the umbrellas.
1, 6,
How many umbrellas?
1,
Count again.
2,
2.
Count again.
2.
Okay, count
Count,
with Kiara. 1, 2, 3. We will write number 3.
6, 3.
Yes, very good. Yes, Shruti ma'am, please share the next. Again, maths worksheet. It's a very interesting worksheet. Yes, we have 3 flower pots. And how many flowers each pot? Who will tell me? Durvi will tell me. Durvi, unmute yourself. Yes, count the purple flowers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good.
6. We will write number 6. Very good, Durvi. Now Devik. Devik, unmute yourself. Count the blue flowers.
2, 3,
Yes, 1, 2, 3, and yes, 4 flowers, 4 blue flowers. Now next, who will tell me? Savi Pandey. Savi, unmute yourself. Now count the pink flowers.
पिंक वाले फ्लावर्स काउंट करो.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes.
बताओ जोर से कितने
Nine. 9 pink flowers are there. Very good. All babies doing very good. Yes. Now again I'm asking oral counting. Who will tell me? Pehel. Pehel, unmute yourself. Okay, tell me 1 to 20 counting.
21.
1 से शुरू
1
करो
to
counting.
20. Start from 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
Very
21,
good. Only 20, last 20. Stop. Very good. Now Kiara. Kiara, 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Kiara, look there.
Yes.
Tell me.
Tell. Come on. 4.
1,
Then
2, 3. Quickly.
quickly.
4. Wait.
Kiara. Come on, tell. Come on.
Yes.
Kiara, come on.
1, 2.
9.
Okay, count your fingers. 1, 2,
Count.
3, 4, 5, 6,
5,
7,
6,
8,
Count the
9,
fingers
and
first.
10.
10.
Yes, very good. Now Davik will tell me 1 to 10.
1. Davik, say 1 to 10.
Yes,
Davik.
Davik.
1. Oh, Davik. 1, 2. Loudly.
Yes, speak loudly. 1, 2, 3.
5, 6. Loudly, Davik.
Yes, Davik, very
After
good.
7, 8. Last. 21. No, beta.
1
After
till
9.
10.
10.
Do practice. Okay. Now next turn is Vedika. Vedika, unmute yourself. Tell me 11 to 20.
11
Start
to
from 11.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 30.
Very good. Now Vedant, after 20, 21 to 30. Vedant is there?
Ma'am, Vedant will say. No. Vedant? Yes, of course, he's there. Vedant, ma'am 21 to 30 पूछ रही है, आपने गा के नहीं अच्छे से बताना है, right?
Yes.
21.
21.
31,
हाँ,
32,
okay,
33,
right.
अकेले हो गए
24.
अकेले हो गए
Okay, fine. आगे बताओ. 24.
24,
हाँ, then
25,
okay,
26,
हाँ,
37,
हाँ,
38,
okay,
39,
हाँ.
36.
29 के बाद 30 30.
Yes, very good, Vedant. You're doing very good. 29, 30, 30. Very good. Now, Riddhi, unmute yourself. 21 to 30.
मैम ने सुना ना और आपको वेरी गुड भी बोला है. हाँ, वेदिका ने भी आपको ये
Yes,
सुना है.
Riddhi.
ये हुई ना बात, ये होते हैं गुड बेबीज. तो मैम कुछ से बताओ.
Yes, Riddhi, 21 to 30.
Excuse me, ma'am. Says no only 1 to 20.
Okay. Tell me 1 to 10.
1 to 10 सुनाओ मैम को. 1 to सुना दो. आप सुना दो सिद्धि. हाँ. 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 आराम. 5. हाँ. 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 हाँ.
Very good. Now, Siddhi will tell me 11 to 20.
हाँ. 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 आप किसको 16
नहीं करो बेटा.
17 18 हाँ.
20.
Speak loudly.
18, 19 and 20. Very good. Now turn is Ayansh. Ayansh, unmute yourself.
1, 2,
मैम को बोलने दो.
21 to 30. You will tell me 21 to 30.
दो से बोलो.
1, 2,
21 से बेटा.
Start from 21.
1, 22,
जोर से बोलो.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 30.
Yes, very fast. Very good. Very good. Now Adira, 11 to 20.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
Very good. Now last turn, Agamjeet. Agamjeet is there. Agamjeet, unmute yourself. Yes. Again 11 to 20.
11 to 20 is no, ma'am.
Start from
11,
11.
14,
13,
13, 15,
14,
14, 16,
15,
15, 17,
16,
16,
17,
17,
18,
18, 19,
19.
19, 20.
Yes. Very good. All babies doing very good. Now clapping for you. Okay. Now over to you, Shruti ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, everybody, very well done. Okay, now one important thing I want to tell you, this Sunday, 28th of February, we are celebrating National Science Day. उस दिन क्या है? National Science Day है. And उस
Ma'am,
दिन,
Ma'am, your voice is lagging.
Not,
Can you repeat
not
it again?
yes, ma'am, sure. Now my voice is coming. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So this Sunday on 28th of February, we are celebrating the National Science Day. हर साल every year we are celebrating on 28th February. We celebrate.
ma'am, you're not audible.
Okay. Yes,
the
ma'am.
voice
Now
goes
I am
off
audible?
quickly.
Yes, ma'am, it's better.
Better? Okay. Okay, so 28th February को every year हम National Science Day celebrate करते हैं, okay? और उस दिन किसका बर्थडे होता है? डॉक्टर सीवी रमन का. किसका बर्थडे होता है? एक सीवी रमन का, okay? So National Science Day Sunday को आ रहा है. So science experiment आज करेंगे हम, right? Today I am going to show you one science experiment of sink and float the things, right? कौन सी चीज, कौन से ऑब्जेक्ट्स जो हैं जाते हैं एंड कौन से ऑब्जेक्ट हैं जो फ्लोट रहते हैं. यस मैम. ओके, आई एम शोइंग you one experiment. Please look at the screen, everybody. Yes, everybody, please look at the full of water. See, I have one bowl full of water. I have some objects with me. On the other hand, I have some objects like wafer. I have some objects like wafer, pencil, some toy, leaf, and ball. Yes, am I audible to everyone now?
Ma'am, your voice is lagging. Probably there's a network issue.
Yes, ma'am, surely. Yes. Okay, look at all of you. Okay, there are some objects who are heavy in nature. These are the heavy things which will sink in the water. And these are the fluffy ball, like the toy, which are lighter. They are very light, so they can float on the water. See, I'm showing you. Now I'm having one spoon with me. I have 1 spoon. Look, it will sink. Right? Spoon sink क्यों हो गया? Because it is heavy. It is heavy than the water. जो चीज, जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट हमारा हैवी होगा वो सिंक हो जाएगा. एंड लाइक द पेंसिल जो आप होल्ड करते हो, these are light, so it will float on the water like this, right? Like I have a toy, a baby toy, very light, so it will float on the water, right? Like the marbles, the rocks we have, ये heavy होते हैं, right? हम rock को उठाते हैं, ईंट को उठाते हैं, वो heavy होती है ना, so it will sink in the water, right? अभी के लिए आपको यही concept समझ आएगा.
Okay, we'll also do it. When you will take a bath, then we'll do it. After that,
The heavy things, lighter things, right? These float on the water. Why? Because it is very light in nature. Very light. And जो wafers आप लोग खाते हैं, you eat that kind of wafers. इनके अंदर air का content होता है. These are very light, so it will also float on the water. Right? Wafers will also float on the water. I have one fluffy ball. Right? It is also very light and it will float. The dice से खेलते हैं हम, लूडो खेलते हैं, right? The dice is very heavy and it will sink in the water. And the keys होती हैं हमारे पास, that are also heavy. It will also sink. The coins, जितनी भी चीजें हमारी heavy nature की हैं, it will sink in the water, right? And जितनी भी objects हैं that are very light and fluffy and जिनमें air का content है, that will float on the water like this. It is a science experiment. Science is very easy and very interesting. See, light चीजें कैसे float होने लगती हैं, right? And जो हमारी heavy things होती हैं, like the marbles, coin, they will sink in the water, right? So National Science Day है Sunday को, and मेरे सारे babies ने अपने मम्मा डैडी को ये experiment करके दिखाना है, okay? These all things are available to you at home, right? आपके पास balls भी हैं, आपके पास toys भी हैं, you have pencil, leaf too, right? Spoon, coin, सब चीजें आपके पास available हैं. You need to do the experiment on Sunday and mama और daddy को बताना है. See, I have learned an experiment, right? सब babies करेंगे on Sunday. That is our National Science Day, right? जितनी भी चीजें हमारी हैं, वो सब science से related होती हैं. Like we wash the clothes, जो हम pencil use करते हैं, जो we wash करते हैं, that are all we are full of science around us. हमारे आसपास सब science है, right? So उस दिन किसका birthday होता है? Who will tell me? मैम ने अभी आपको बताया किसका birthday होता है National Science Day वाले दिन? Who will tell me? C.V. Raman. Dr. C.V. Raman का बर्थडे होता है, right? And वो बहुत yes ma'am. Yes, Dr. C.V. Raman, right? उनका बर्थडे होता है 28th of February को, National Science Day, वो Sunday है. That's why मैम आपको experiment आज करके दिखा रही है. But you all need to do on that day, right? सब मेरे baby Sunday को experiment करेंगे and you will show your dad and mom that I have learned an experiment of sink and float. See, that thing is sinking, that object is floating, right? Very good, everyone. Okay, now what we have done today, we have learned a new experiment, sink and float. We have done missing numbers, राइट? मिसिंग नंबर्स किए हैं, मेरे बेबीज ने काउंटिंग सुनाई है. Who is left now for the counting? Who is left? किस बेबी ने काउंटिंग नहीं सुनाई? Yes, Arohi. Arohi will tell me. Arohi? Yes, please tell me from 21 to 30.
21, 21,
From 21 to 30.
23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Very good. Very good. Now Charvi will tell me. Charvi 31 to 40. Fast.
31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 5, 4, 0, 50, 40.
40. Okay, very good, every one of you. Right? You have to do that experiment on Sunday. Okay? Thumbs up. Sab babies karenge? Very good. Very good. For the goodbye song. Say goodbye to your friends and ma'am. We'll meet you on Monday now. Very good.
It's time to go home.